Artofspeedd.
What up, good people? Today we need to talk. So I'm shooting a wedding today. So the reason why I'm not uploading a Too Many Tip Tuesday is because I'm focusing on this wedding. I'm the photographer at this wedding and I think it's gonna be amazing. So that's what your boy doing. I can't wait to show you guys pictures, and if I can get a video, I would definitely do a video. But I'm basically the photographer at this wedding. Man, so you know, when your boy did a parade, that was pretty amazing in itself. Now your boy is shooting this wedding. Man, this is amazing in itself again. This is something that, you know, I wanted to try. So I was like, all right, cool. I tried out. So I'm a little bit nervous, but hey, anything is possible. Thank God for everything that he is doing in my life. So yeah, can't wait to show y'all the results behind the photography or video that I'm shooting. I will put it in in the community tab and like a little post for y'all guys can see it. So yeah. But if you think this video helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.